Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll not loading issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to use your Crunchyroll application on your mobile device, then here are some fixes you could try out. First, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. Simply turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and get connected first. Once you're connected to your internet, go and tap open Crunchyroll application and see if that fixes the issue. If it worked for you, then that means your problem was internet related. Once you have a stable internet, you'll be able to use your Crunchyroll account just fine. If that still does not work, the next thing you could do is to update your Crunchyroll application. If you're using an outdated version of Crunchyroll, then you might walk through this issue, so tap open your Play Store from your Android device and search for Crunchyroll into the text box. Once you perform your search, if you see an update button right next to the Crunchyroll app, then simply tap on that update button to download the latest version of Crunchyroll application. Once you have the latest version, tap on the open button to launch the app open again. After updating to the latest version, your problem might be solved. Go ahead and select any content and check if that fixed your issue. If that still does not work, you can simply delete the cache data from your Crunchyroll application using mobile device. Simply tap open settings on your Android, which is this icon over here. Now from the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you find the apps option and give it a tap. From the app list, go ahead and find Crunchyroll and tap it on. This will open up your app info page. Click storage from the menu and now tap on clear cache at the bottom right. Once you clear out your cache data, go back to Crunchyroll app and tap it open and now play your content to see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever your Crunchyroll is not loading. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.